Alright, and welcome to AHS Sonic's sound permutation tutorial. We will not only make a sound file, but split it into 3 parts so that you play it. When you play it as a sound looping file, it's not going to just stop abruptly. What you're going to need here is the Xbox Sound Codec I've included in this package, and GoldWave, which you can get at a trial. I'm not sure if it's the full version, it might be a trial. You can get it from that handy link right there. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to open this up right here. This is the Xbox Sound Codec folder in the package. You want to right-click this INI right here, and select install. Just wait a couple seconds. You can get a dial-on that's going to come up here. Camtasia lags this thing unbelievably. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're just gonna hit continue anyway. Okay. Wait a couple seconds. Lag. Pause this again. Alright, after you've installed that lovely little codec, open GoldWave. Alright. Really quickly, you can open the file up here. Nice. Yeah, alright. Desktop here. Alright, I open a sound file I made beforehand. Not big, you know. Alright, we're gonna save it as real quick. Make it wave PCM signed 16-bit stereo. You can do mono if you want, but it sounds like crap, so I'm gonna go stereo. So, yeah. Yeah, GoldWave rocks. So, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna cut it into 3 different parts. We're gonna move our slider right here. We go File, Save Selection As. Do not do Save As. Selection. We're gonna go to our Halo CE directory. Alright, we're gonna go to Data. And go over here to Sound. Folder tutorial. Make another one inside of the tutorial. If you don't, get messed up. And we're gonna name it Tut3. You can name it, like, you can name this part whatever you want, but try to get the 3 in there at the end. And click Save. Alright, then I'm gonna hit the delete key. We get rid of that part. And we're going to move our slider to the middle. Like that. Okay. We're gonna hit, just basically do the same thing, just do the save selection as. Hit Tut2 though. Alright. Great, we're gonna hit the delete key again, and move the slider to the very beginning. We're gonna hit save selection as. We're gonna name it Tut1. Save. Alright, we're gonna close GoldWave. We don't need it anymore. Ooh, do not want to save changes. We're gonna open Mr. Tool. Alright. What we're gonna do is we're gonna compile it. And if you did not install the Xbox Sound Codec, this will fail miserably. We're gonna go ahead and type in Tool, Sounds, Tutorial. We're gonna type in Xbox One. You have to type that in. If you don't, it will not work. Just hit enter. Alright, that went kind of fast. Not sure if it worked or not. We go open our Gorilla whatever version you're using, doesn't really matter. Crap, it didn't work. Let me try that again. Okay, I know what I did wrong. Alright, we're gonna... Hey, you can't have Gorilla open while you do this, else it will fail. We're gonna type in tool, sounds, sound, /tutorial, Xbox One. We're gonna hit enter. And it should say importing sound, tutorial for a little bit. And we know that worked, so cook. We're gonna go, now we're gonna open Gorilla. I'm gonna wait 3 hours for it to freaking load, okay. Alright, we're gonna go file, open tag. If it made it right, it'll be in the tags, sound, tutorial will be right here. Open that. You don't have to do this. Mine was music, so I'm just gonna change it to music. Alright, we're gonna scroll down to the bottom here. So we have 3 permutations. Basically, your sound will now play without stopping randomly. Alright. Yeah, see, they each work differently. They each have a different sound because we split it. Great. Alright. Let's hit print tag. That's it for making sound permutations, but we still have one more thing to do. If we want to play this, like the whole thing, not just one permutation, like if you script this .sound file in, it'll randomly play one of the permutations to the sound file. We want it to play the whole thing, so we are going to make a sound looping file. Alright, if it's music and you only want it to play once, just hit that symbol. If not, you want it to keep playing, just don't even click that. I'm not even gonna mess with that right now. Scroll down here to tracks, hit add. Add, alright. Don't mess with that for now. Just start with the little browse button. We're gonna go over here to sound, tutorial.sound. Great. And that's pretty much all we have to do. We just have to click save current tag. We're gonna go sound, tutorial. That's it. Alright, and you'll see that 3 of these guys popped up right here. You can click add each of them. Click this one right here and click play, and we'll play the whole song. I'm not going to do that right now because Camtasia will flag it. So, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.